Welcome back. In this lesson, we're gonna learn about joins that are quite common on Oracle systems. However, this particular part is not covered by the certification exam, and Oracle itself encourages to use the standard ANSI join syntax. But however, you may encounter these kinds of joins on the job, so it is really good to know that. So to explain joins found on Oracle systems, we're gonna use tables from our previous example. So from the data with the cars table and the car manufacturer countries. So if we again check the state of that data, the cars table has a couple of cars and it has a manufacturer country ID, which signifies in which country that car has been produced. Aligned with that, we have a car manufacturer countries table with the country ID and the name of that country. Right? We learned how to join those tables by using the standard join syntax. So this is accurate from our previous example, where we are fetching the car and the country name from the car manufacturer countries to know in which country a particular car has been produced. This is an inner join, and of course, we can also make a full outer join for that to fetch all of the non-match data. So again, one of the cars does not have a manufacturer country ID, so no country name is fetched for him, and one country does not have any of the car associated in the cars table. So the syntax for the Oracle joins is as follows. In the from clause, the join keywords are completely omitted. And in the from part, we are only listing the tables the data is fetched from. And this is just divided by the comma. The actual join happens in the where clause. And we are doing that as following. So where in my cars table, the manufacturer country ID has to equal my car manufacturer country table and the country ID. As you can see, this is quite similar as the on part of a join in the standard join syntax, right? So when I execute this, we're gonna get an inner join. This kind of join works on every system. However, if we want to make a left or right join, this is completely specific for the Oracle systems. So for example, if we want to make a left join, we add on the right hand of a join condition in the where clause, a plus sign inside the brackets. And this signifies as a left join. And now we got one car where the match for the country is non-existent. If we want to make a right join, then that plus sign is on the left side of comparison. So when I execute this query, we're gonna get the right join and the correct data returned accordingly. However, it is not possible to make a full outer join by using this kind of Oracle joins. We can create a workaround for that by using the set operator union. And this would look as following. So we're gonna make a union, and we're gonna union the left join together with the results of the right join. So this is our left join, and this is our right join. So when I execute this query, we're gonna get a complete data as in full outer join. The union is a set operator. We haven't covered that yet, but we will learn about that in the following lessons. This is it for this one, and see you in the next one.